Hi, this video shows you how to create a survey or poll in GroupMap to get feedback and engagement from your audience. In your map, click on Customize. Next, add a new step called Survey. Change the title or add instructions if needed. Then add your first question. Use open text fields for qualitative answers, or use multiple choice and drop-downs for fixed answer choices. Finally, star, emoticon, numeric ratings, and sliders can be used to capture different perceptions. Let's use the example of evaluating a meeting. We'll add numeric rating to poll everyone on the effectiveness of the meeting. We can use a short answer question to get ideas on how to improve. We can continue to add questions to capture more feedback. Questions can be saved along the way. Drag and drop your questions into your preferred order. Duplicate them or delete them. Save your changes when happy. Drag and drop your survey or poll into any part of your process. Now you can invite participants by invite code or email. You can bring all participants to the survey step and set a timer to help keep them on track. When time is up or everyone is done, click on Lock Survey and Reveal Results. These results will also be added to your map reports. You can now talk through the highlights of each question with everyone. Thanks for watching. Have fun engaging people with a survey or poll with GroupMap today.